everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. Happy post-Valentine's Day. I didn't get to do a video yesterday, you guys. I had to work all day, and by the time I got home, it was kind of late. So, but I did have a nice dinner with my family. We had Tex-Mex food, so I got my enchiladas, so I was really happy about that. And we just watched a movie, so it was a nice, quiet Valentine's Day. It's hard to go on dates now with my hubby just because of the kids, and you know, especially when Valentine's falls on, you know, on a weekday, kids have homework and whatnot. So yeah, but it was very nice. So I hope everyone had a great time. I didn't get to share these tags with you guys, so I thought I'd go ahead, even though it's one day post Valentine's Day. But I did create these cute little tags. I did use, again, I'm trying to use these cute little stamps that we all pick up. This was from Michael's, and it's so cute. And I got it for $1, I think. And I used, what did I use? For my tags, I just stamped on watercolor paper, and I used my distress markers, Tim Holtz distress markers, to color them up, and just use some cute little heart die cuts and some sequins and ribbon and these cute little hearts, heart charms that I got from, this one I got from, oh, these are from Joann's, I believe. And then this one I got a long time ago as a kit, and I had plenty left over, but this is from Amazon. So I thought that was super duper cute. And I did fuse these differently this time. I actually die cut and then put the die cut tag inside the sleeve and then fused around it. So I didn't, you know, need the die to fuse it per se. So they came out really cute. It doesn't shake as much because it's pretty tight in there, but it's still super cute. And I was watching a video, I think it's Rosa's Creative Way, I think, or Creative Creations. I forgot. I will leave her link down below. Thank you, Rosa. I've enjoyed some of your videos, and you did a Valentine's shaker tag, and I thought they were super cute. And so, you know, I'm loving making these shaker tags. So I went ahead and tried it your way too, and that was really cute. So I think they did come out adorable. And anyway, again, I just wanted to wish you guys happy Valentine's Day, even though it's a day late, but thought I'd still share a little something with you. So stay tuned, because I did do a little more shopping, because hubby gave me a little tiny budget for a Valentine's Day, and so I did buy a few things. I know I'm not supposed to be shopping. Probably I'm gonna try, seriously try not to until Easter stuff is out. Well, actually Easter stuff is already out. Yeah, so we'll see. But you guys know I'm a shopaholic, so anyway, have a great Thursday, you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.